with the rubber grip. Bust shots, and if you with me, mama, I'm with the tits and whatnot. I'm from the school of the hard knocks. You must not.
What block? What you doing in LA with Filipinos and essays, Latinos and Chevys down by Pico with Federico? I answer all y'all questions, but then y'all got to go. Now the question.
Everything about me, what they love about me.